Hello guys, today we have A500F and you can see that the display or the glass is broken, and now we try to change the display. At first I must say that this display was changed before, so this is not an original repair. The original repair is a little bit difficult, but I explain why. At first we need to heat up the edge of the display where you can see the gold color. Then we need a flexible tool to damage the glue under the glass. Take care of the sub keys at the home button. Then we need the flexible tool to cut under the display to damage the glue there, because not only the glass is glued, the display too. But be a little bit careful. If you want to save the display, you need to cut only 2/3 of the display from the home button, because at the top of the display there is a flex cable from the display. If you can lift up, unplug the flex cable from the main board. You need two things from the old display. There is the dust defender from the earpiece and the home button. You need to install it to the new display later. Now we plug in the new display and test it with the Samsung test menu. We start the phone and then we call the number *#0*#, and now we can test every function. As you could see, you need to clean the frame from the old glue, and then we can set the new glue inside the frame. If everything works, we can try to install the display, but before we need to remove the cover from behind of the display. Be careful, it's a little bit difficult to remove this cover from the heat shield of the display. Before we install the display, we need to set the home button and the dust defender from the earpiece. You can set the dust defender from the earpiece inside the display and the home button inside the frame. Now we try to install the display. You need to connect the display flex cable, and then you can drop slowly the display inside the frame. But make sure that the display fits perfect inside the frame, because if the glass touched the first time the double-sided adhesive tape, it will be difficult to change the position of the glass or the display, and then you will have a gap between frame and glass, and that will look not good. If you try to press the display inside the frame, be a little bit carefully, because if you push it at the edges, often breaks the glass. The glass is in the corner very sensitive. Now I have some other problem. I have every time a gap in the corner here at the left side on top, and now I try to fix it with a double-sided adhesive tape. But if you have a cover for the phone, maybe this cover will go over the glass and press this edge into the frame. Otherwise you need to fix it with adhesive tape or with glue, but don't press it too hard. This edge is sensitive and the glass breaks fast. So we are done, everything works, it looks okay but not perfect because the corner is a little bit difficult, but with this cover you don't see it. If you have any questions, you can ask me here in the comments on YouTube, or you can send me a message on Instagram and I answer it so fast as possible. Now I will put a screen protector on it and then I'm done too. So have fun, good luck, and we see us in the next video. Goodbye.